Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to quickly cook a pork loin that's perfect for sandwiches. Let's start by getting a pot and pouring in 1 cup of water. Next, we'll add 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. Make sure it's full. We might need to add a bit more. Then we'll put in 1 tablespoon of mustard. You can use any type you have at home. I'm using spicy Czech mustard here. Mix it well and then we'll add more water until we have 2 liters in the pot. Oh look, a subscription reminder just popped up. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks in advance for that. Now let's prepare our marinade. Add 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We add pork loin. I have a kilo of clean pork loin here. Turn on the gas, cover the pot. Now we'll cook it. Once it boils, as we can see it has, we'll cook it for exactly 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for at least 6 hours. I usually leave it overnight. The next day we'll repeat this process. Once everything has cooled, we can take out the pork. I'll show you how it looks. This is the cooked pork loin for sandwiches. Now I'll demonstrate how to slice it and show you the inside. As we can see, it's a nice piece. The ham turns out very tender, not dry, and very tasty. I definitely recommend it for sandwiches. It's better than store-bought cold cuts. I hope you'll try this recipe. It's really very nice and easy to prepare. Now I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and of course like the video. Thanks in advance. I invite you to check out my other videos. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.